What is trim in interior design? The small detail that makes a big difference. Dear friends, trim is one of the small details in interior design that can make a huge difference in the overall look of a room. In simple terms, trim refers to the finishing materials used around doors, windows, floors, and ceilings. These decorative and functional elements include baseboards, crown molding, chair rails, and window or door casings. One of the main purposes of trim is to create a clean and polished transition between different surfaces. For example, baseboards connect the wall and the floor, hiding small gaps and protecting the wall from damage caused by furniture, cleaning, or daily use. Trim also plays a big role in enhancing the visual appeal of a room. Even a plain wall can look more elegant and stylish when decorative moldings or trims are added. Crown molding, for instance, adds sophistication where the wall meets the ceiling and gives the room a finished, designer look. Another important benefit of trim is that it helps define the architectural style of a space. Traditional interiors often use detailed and ornate trims, while modern homes may use simple and minimal trim designs to keep the look clean and contemporary. Trim can also help highlight important features in a room. Door and window casings frame these elements and make them stand out as part of the design rather than just functional openings. In short, trim is like the final touch in interior design. It ties all the elements of a room together and makes the space look complete, neat, and professionally designed. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.